Get ready with me for brunch. This time it's not really brunch. It's more like a Thanksgiving dinner date type thing. So I am dressed to the T. I'm doing a beautiful denim number. I'm going to show you that in a minute. But first, let's get into this hair, y'all. I know you all loved the last one I did, so I'm coming back to you with another one. This time it's even easier than the last time, if that's possible. I'm coming back to you with this beautiful unit from UNice hair. This is completely glueless. The knots have already been bleached for you. The baby hairs are already cut, pre-styled, and made for you. And then the part is already made. This is literally the kind of wig you take out of the box, put it on, put your fingers through it, and you're good to go. No glue, no gel, no installment. And I'm gonna show you how easy it was for me to get this look, okay? Look at this. All right, family, so here is my box by UNice, matching rope. Here is our hair. It comes in this plastic bag. It comes in the box, of course, but it's protected by the bag, and it's also protected by a net. All right, family, so this is our hair. Oh goodness, I already love this. The reason why is, number one, it's completely glueless. I've already said that. Number two, it comes with the baby hairs already cut for you, cut and made, and I'm gonna show you that more. Number three, it's already pre-plucked. It makes your life so easy. So I'm just removing the little foam thing. All right, so this is our hair. Before I show you the hair, I wanted to show you something. This is actually how the hair is created. This is the exact same net as the hair. So as you can see from the hairline is not completely perfect. It has some like zigzag. Nobody's hairline is perfect, like straight across. So it has a little bit of zigzag. I don't know if you can see that. And then as you can see, the cap itself is very breathable. It has some holes in it. Not holes, but like it's a net. It's an actual net, so it's very breathable. And then at the end of it, it has the elastic band here. So this is exactly what this hair is made on. So they took one of these and put the hair on it, and that's what the wig is made out of. And as you can see from me shaking it, it's heavy. It's very heavy and it's very full. The baby hairs are already made for you. So for those of you who don't know how to cut the baby hair or swoop it down, that's already made for you, which again makes the install so simple. This is like a 5 to 10 minute install. The knots have been bleached for you, so you don't have to bleach the knots yourself. I usually still go ahead and put my foundation on it, and that's literally what takes the most time for me, and it only takes like 2 minutes. Let me show you the difference, okay? So see that this one has not been bleached. So see how black it looks? You can see the black little dots right there. This one has been bleached, so it looks more natural, and it looks like you can take your you can just put it on your scalp and it matches, versus having to buy the bleach, mix it up, know the correct amount, put it together, bleach it, making sure not to bleach the hair, you know, through or ruining your hair. This hair already comes with all of that done. If you are like darker skin or lighter skin, you can just use your foundation. I highly recommend that. That's one of the things that makes it look real. It makes it look more realistic to you. The part is already done for you. The wig is already ready to go, so let's go ahead and install this without talking anymore. For my hat, for those of you who don't know, I sell these on my website, nimbatlux.com. I'll link that down below. This is actually a shower cap, but I like to use it as a bonnet as well. Anyway, let's go ahead and take this off and try the hair on. So as you can see, I already showed you the net that the hair is made on. One thing I forgot to show you is that it comes with an elastic band, and the elastic band is actually adjustable, so you can make it smaller, bigger, or just make it fit your head. It also has a comb in the back for more security. So the elastic band is going to help you tighten it and secure it, and the comb is also going to do that. All right, so I did go ahead and adjust the elastic band to fit my hair a little better. So let's go ahead and try the hair on. The hair fits very nicely, first of all, but I like to put a little bit of foundation so it can match my scalp a little better. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so here's my foundation. This is Fenty Beauty. This is my brush. Again, nothing special. I'm just gonna put my foundation on the brush, and I have my hair here. I'm gonna grab my brush and my foundation, and I'm gonna put it on. So now I have my foundation on. Let me show you how it matches my skin a little better. See that? That matches a little better. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it back to my head. So I'm just adjusting this. Oh my goodness. It feels really good. It fits really nicely. push it back a little bit right there. I think that's my perfect sweet spot right there. I like the fact that the part is already done. Like I said, the baby hairs are already done. They're cut and styled for you. The knots are invisible, as you can see there, like I showed you before. It's already been bleached, so it looks like I did a part. I literally don't have to make a part here. I don't have to put the foundation in the middle. I don't have to do the baby hairs myself. It is just ready to go, so I like that a lot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test it. I just wanna know how it looks when water, mousse, or leave-in conditioner is applied to it. All right, so I have my favorite leave-in conditioner for my wigs here. This is Curls Unleashed by ORS. I literally got this from Burlington. I don't know where else they sell it. I went to Burlington to get something else, and I went to like their beauty section, and that's where I found this. It is really good and it smells really good. So that's what we're gonna be using. And I have my water bottle literally from the Dollar Tree, and I just have a little bit of water in there. And then I have a brush here. So let's go ahead and get started. Adjust it. All right, so I have my water. Let's do this side. Let's move back so you can see. Okay. And then I have my leave-in conditioner here. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little bit, just a tiny little bit. I don't want it to be too weighed down, so just that. And it smells really good. So I'm just using my fingers to go through and apply it. These are looser curls than the one I did before. That one you all like so much. I still get questions till this day. Can you pluck the hair? Can you give us a link to the hair? I'm like, go to my YouTube channel. It's there. I have my brush. I'm gonna go ahead and start brushing. All right, I'm gonna start from here. I want it, ooh, look at that. Wow, it brushes easily. The brush goes right through very easily. It is up to you how wet you want to get this hair and how much product you want in it. I personally like it when it's almost dry, because it gives it that full look. The hair itself is already very, very full, but I like it, the bigger the better for me. That's how I like it. Okay, so this side versus this side. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. And I like the fact that the baby hair is not so long. I don't like the very long baby hair that comes all the way to your eyebrows, like down here. All right, so family, this is what the hair looks like. I don't know if I told you all this. I'm getting ready to go to a dinner. I love food. If you follow me on IG, you probably already know. I love, love, love a good excuse for a nice dinner date. I have the conditioner and the water in it. As you can see, I brushed it before. So while that's doing its thing, it's setting, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my makeup and I'll be right back. All right, family, I am back. Look at me, y'all. Look at your girl. Who is this? I don't know what the official name for this shirt is, but I just know it's really nice. I'm doing denim on denim on denim. So my pants are denim, my top is denim, my bag is blue. It's not denim, but it's like, it has a denim vibe to it. And then my shoes is also, I'm gonna show you all of this, but let's get into this hair, y'all. Look at this. Look at my hair. Look at this, y'all. Look how shiny. Look at the knot. Look at that. The hair already comes like this, y'all. The baby hair is already there. The part is already there. It's already bleached, pre-bleached for you, pre-plucked. I usually cut my hair. This one I don't need to cut at all. I'm just gonna leave it as is and just rock it like that. I love, love, love this. It is so gorgeous, and with my outfit, oh my goodness. The last one I did was pretty easy, but this one was really easy. For me, the drier it gets, the bigger it gets. I like my hair big, but you can wet this, like you can really define the curls where it looks like it's really wet and it's super defined. It is just up to you how you want to wear this hair, but oh my goodness, look at this. This is about to be my new everyday wig. Y'all know how I do. If I like my hair, I wear it every day, everywhere, every day. So this is about to be my new best friend, y'all. Look at this. Isn't she lovely? Then on top, like I told you, the skin is skinning, it's glowing, it's glistening. And then the pants are denim. They're really high. I don't know if I can go that far back. They're really high denim. And then let me show you the back. This is the back. By the way, let me show you the back of the hair too. The back of the hair. So beautiful. It's getting cold here where I live. So we're doing some closed-toe shoes. I don't remember where I got these, but I've had these for like 5 years. The heels is not that high, and then it has that cute little silver detail right there. And then the bag, this is the bag. You can wear it multiple ways. You can wear it like this, or like this. So I can wear it like this, or the long way. Isn't she lovely? Look at that. Look how natural this hair looks. And for it to be glueless, like look, no glue, y'all. There's no glue, y'all, no glue. And I'm just gonna set it down. All right, so now tell me I'm not gonna be the flyest girl tonight. I'm gonna be the only girl tonight, but that's not the point. Family, all jokes aside, I'm completely in love with this hair. The fullness, the curls, the ease of installing. I'm in love with this hair and I highly, highly recommend it. I also have a discount code for you, a special Black Friday discount for you all. So please don't forget to check that description box. Also, if you're not already a part of the family, you're really, truly missing out. So go ahead and hit that subscription button so you can join the family and make sure your bell notifications are turned on. Now I'm gonna go out and have me some fun. And thank you to UNice for sponsoring today's video. I hope you all are staying safe and enjoying the holidays. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.